Nakatraining lang sa loob.
Guys, and me and Martin and
Oh my god, you're
guys, dito tayo. Oh wow. Ang ganda.
right? Yeah, so
Yeah.
Let's go, get out of here.
Let's go.
Oh my god, it's a Brachiosaurus.
Let's go.
Now drink
The water.
look at them cars, it's blinking.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go in our
Roar!
Roar! Brackets are rest. Look at the brackets. You're so true. Right then, we hear brackets. Let's see. Guys, add and subscribe, and we are the prettiest in Guapo. Guys, we only do a mention.
Oh, $50.
Too much bottled up. When I see you sleeping during the day, exercising when you want, playing when you want, while my son comes home exhausted from work and still has to hear complaints. It hurts me to see that. Eugene's eyes slowly started to fill with tears. That day, for the first time, Eugene walked up to the stove on her own. Going up, she tried to recreate the Korean flavors that had once felt completely out of reach. She just again and again, carefully tasting and rebalancing everything. And when the food was finally done, she looked at her mother-in-law nervously. Her mother-in-law took a break and smiled in her eyes. Then she joked. The daughter-in-law is really showing off her skills and abilities. She called everyone over to try it. And that day was the first time in 4 years that Eugene had cooked for her own family. So many times in Korea, sitting at the dinner table, she had thought about the family back home. She had always felt sad that she couldn't share good food with them. But now, the people she loved were eating the food she made with her own hands. That feeling of fullness and joy. The 6th day of the trip,